Definition, differences, and the uses of direct versus indirect combust test. Combust test or antiglobulin test is an immunology laboratory procedure used to detect the presence of antibodies against circulating red blood cells. There are two types of combust test, direct and indirect. The direct combust test, also known as the direct antiglobulin test, is the test usually used to identify hemolytic anemia. The indirect combust test is used only in prenatal testing of pregnant women and in testing blood before transfusion. The direct combust test detects antibody already attached to red blood cell, while indirect combust test looks for free-floating antibodies in the serum that could bind to red blood cell. So, if we suspect Rh incompatibility in pregnant women, we do direct combust test for the mother and direct combust test for the baby. Combust reagent or combust antiglobulin is used in both direct and indirect tests. Combust reagent is anti-human globulin. It is made by injecting human globulin into animals, which produce polyclonal antibodies specific for human immunoglobulin and human complement system factors. The direct combust test detects antibodies that are stuck to the surface of red blood cell. Since these antibodies sometimes destroy red blood cells, they can cause anemia. This test can help clarify the condition. The indirect combust test detects antibodies that are floating freely in the blood. These antibodies could act against certain red blood cells. The test can be carried out to diagnose reaction to a blood transfusion just before transfusion to identify the presence or absence of antibody. The direct combust test is used to test for autoimmune hemolytic anemia, a condition where the immune system breaks down red blood cells, leading to anemia. The indirect combust test is used to detect antibodies or complement proteins attached to the surface of the red blood cell. To perform the test, a blood sample is taken and the red blood cells are washed, just removing the patient's plasma and unbound antibodies from the red blood cells, and then incubating with anti-human globulin or combust reagent. If the red cells then agglutinate, the test is positive. A visual indication that antibodies or complement proteins are bound to the surface of red blood cells and may be causing destruction of the cells. The indirect combust test is used in prenatal testing of pregnant women and in testing prior to blood transfusion. This is the two scenarios in which indirect combust test is used: in prenatal testing of pregnant women and in testing blood before transfusion. The test detects antibodies against foreign red blood cells. In this case, serum is extracted from blood sample taken from the patient. The serum is incubating with foreign red blood cells of unknown antigenicity. Finally, anti-human globulin is added. If agglutination occurs, then direct combust test is positive.